Meanwhile, what's going on in the backstage? Is that Dean Ambrose in that? That's Asraf Meow and Crake Warfield brawling each other in the backstage. I have no idea what they're brawling about. Dean Ambrose never said that he will challenge him or Craig Warfield or Meow to the triple threat match. Maybe he go 1-on-1 next week against Asraf Meow or Craig Warfield, and Asraf Meow knocks Ambrose out with the underhook style clash. What is going on here? Let's see who's the #1 contender. Let's see who's Dean Ambrose gonna face off. Either it's Asraf Meow or Craig Warfield. I don't know about that. What a witness in the backstage. They were brawling in the backstage? That's crazy.